Hello, this is Diana with WTI. Let me tell you how much I like the SEIKEA long braided ponytail extension. It's so cool to wear. It's long. It's about 30 to 31 inch when it's braided and about 34 inch when it's just the ponytail, just straight hair. Comes with a hair tie straight wrap and it's divided in 3 parts with 3 clear ties for easy braiding. I like how it blends perfect with the natural hair and it's so lightweight. You don't even feel that you have it on, but it's so beautiful to wear for a fun night out. It's so cute to go from short hair to long hair in just minutes. I also like the hairpiece because it is so easy when I need to brush it with my comb. I recommend you get the SEIKEA ponytail extension. You will love it. That is my point of view.